On your mat, we can move into bird dog. We're going to start on all fours. We're going to be mindful to make sure that our wrists are right below our shoulders and our knees are in line with our hips. Selma's going to take her right arm and extend it forward while extending her left leg. Wonderful, and keeping in line. Great. Our neck is nice and neutral, and then we're going to come back to our starting position. Remember and we're going to alternate sides. Remember to engage their core. Breathe through the exercise, and you want to give me 10 to 12 on each side. Good, and keep going. Wonderful. Keep that neck nice and neutral, hips are nice and square, and extending as far as you can. And this is a really great way to strengthen the lower back so that you have wonderful support around the lower back, and it also helps to strengthen your core as well. Great. How does it feel?